Program. But yeah, I'm back again with another market analysis on gold and the NASDAQ. So let's hop right into it. Let's go back to Sunday of last week, see how I performed. Um, so Sunday right here, Sunday at 3 o'clock, it took a nice 35 pip win. And then at night, I ended up taking a stupid 45 pip loss. So it's like I lost my earnings. And then I took another dumb trade, accident and entered this trade like as soon as I was like going to sleep. I was hoping that the price would reject and fall back down, but it didn't. Just kept on rallying. Gold just kept on rallying like crazy. Took another 52 pip loss, then another 123 pip loss, stupid loss. 15 pip win. I think I took a 44 pip loss. I took a lot of L's this week, unfortunately. 32 pip loss, a 55 pip win, a 64 pip win, 58 pip win, a 135 pip loss, stupid. And then I'm not sure if I close this one in profit. This one was a 18 pip loss. Over here, this was a nice win of I think like a 80 pip win. Over here, a nice 30 pip win, a 41 pip loss, stupid. 20 pip win. What time of the day was this? This is at 9:25 a.m. So I'll got work at this time. And then over here, a 21 pip win, and then a 38 pip win. I wish I held this sucker because this one just melted like crazy. Because it did a nice double top and then just melted off the fucking face of the earth. Over here, a nice 19 pip win. And this is where I stupid fucking trades. Asian session just fucking rallied. It wrecked my account. So I took a 24 pip loss, 30 pip loss, then a 32 pip loss, back to back losses. And I know I took another loss over here because I was trying to catch this sell off, but it never happened. And then over here, I took I think I broke even in this trade, but let's say a 43 pip win. Over here, I took about like a 5 pip loss because I was trying to scalp the end of the session, but that didn't work out to my favor. It actually ended up blowing one of my funded accounts, which was kind of dumb because I ended up saving one of them on NASDAQ during CPI. So fucking stupid. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove my charts and chart for y'all. So gold has been on a fucking bull run, which is really fucking insane. So it's just running up like crazy. So we're just going to look for buys now. All next week. Pure buys, maybe some pullback action. New all-time high. Nice daily resistance there. Another nice daily resistance there. Another daily resistance. Another daily resistance there. Daily support level right here. Daily support there. And we might see some selling pressure as like price did a very big pullback here on Tuesday of last week. So price might come back up here and retest this and come back down. And another nice daily support level right there. So we have about one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 key levels, which is about the right amount of key levels I like to trade off of. Because anything more than that just becomes too much garbage. Let's create our 4 hour zones. And what I like to do, if this is your first time tuning in, I like to mark up the candle wick to the candle body close. And I like to mark my zones to the next Sunday. So I don't have to mark up my charts all over again. Let's find our lower time frame zones. Right here. It's a nice strong area of support. It'll probably retest this during Asian session on Sunday tomorrow. Price will probably come back down here and rally. So price might do something like this. Boom, bang, drop, and then rally. That's I'm probably thinking around 6 p.m. on Sunday. So I'm going to leave my alert right here. And I'll leave my alert right here as well. Yeah, guys, these are my key levels for gold. I'll take a zoom out so you guys can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot. These are very strong key levels where I anticipate gold will have the strongest reaction off of. Now let's go over to the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ, I didn't trade too much last week. I think I took a couple L's actually. Yeah, on Monday I took a 125 pip loss, but then I won 101 pips. Over here, I think I took a little loss. Oh yeah, this is stupid. I got stopped out by like a fucking cute couple pips. Super retarded. And then price just rallied. Fucking smashed my TP and then some. Over here, it took about a 80 pip loss. And I don't think this one triggered in. So I'm going to remove that. So price definitely broke through the all-time high. So the NASDAQ is trading at all-time highs. So when you're trading all-time highs, All you need to do is wait for price to break above it, retest it, and then buy again. So like let's say the previous all-time high was right there. So you want to wait for price to break above it, wait for it to retest this previous level resistance as support, and then buy it up. That's all you want to do. Same thing happened here. This was the previous level of resistance. Price broke above, retested as support down here, and then just shot up again. Because right now we're in a bull market. So that's all you're going to try to do. If we're in a bearish market, what we would try to do is wait for price to break below and then wait for support become retested as resistance and then sell off. Lower lows, lower high, lower low. That's all you want to do. And I have this all in my course. If you guys haven't seen my course is available um, in my description of the video. So it's a very fire course, very beginner friendly. If you need a discount code, let me know. I have one available. But yeah, let's go ahead and chart for y'all. Look at this. This is like straight for days ever since September 4th. Just rallied. Like for sure, NASDAQ is going to hit 25,000 this year. Previous all-time high. Daily support. Daily support. Daily resistance. I think that's it. I think that's all the key levels we need. And definitely at some point, this previous level of resistance will definitely be retested as support. So watch out for that one. It's going to be a strong pullback into this daily resistance level, and it's going to rally, guaranteed. So I'm going to mark that one up. Mark up my zones to the following Sunday. Drop down to the 30-minute time frame. We got to get our zones perfect. Because I guarantee next week, price is going to pull back down here and it's going to reject. Guaranteed. It's going to bounce off of this key level and then reject. Guaranteed. Mark my fucking words. time frame zone. This level hasn't been retested either. So again, we're just looking for buys next week. I mean, there might be some selling pressure for a pullback, but long-term bias is bullish. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can take a screenshot of my key levels. Take a screenshot of that, and let's look at the weekly fundamentals for next week. So upcoming next week, the biggest one is FOMC, and we have Tuesday core retail sales, and then but Wednesday that's the big one, FOMC. So there's gonna be a lot of movement in the market that week or that day. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot my DMs, and happy to answer any questions for you guys. And as always, I do have a training course. It's currencytradingacademy.com/teachable. So yeah, guys, if you guys want it, cop it. If you want to need a discount code, shoot my DMs, and I'm happy to give it to you. All right, guys, peace.